Lead the way.
Lead the way.
You know the one train better than anybody else. Your favorite train.
Oh,
You know how to get there, right?
would you like to tell us where we're going? You're going to be the first on camera. And I don't know how good the mic quality is going to be, but...
What happened?
Anyways, we're going ice skating, everyone. And we're going to go meet with Brittany. What happened? We're going ice skating. Is this too much for you?
What?
The people, the crowds, the cameras.
You know, yes and no.
I guess you're used to being from the city. Being in the city.
Sort of, kind of.
Okay.
You don't love that response? Look at those two lovers. Lovely.
These two lovers. Two types of people.
Go on.
Liz looks like a true New Yorker. She got the puffer jacket. The baggier jeans.
Okay.
Wendy looks like the mom trying to just make it home.
Okay.
Para cocinar. Oh my god.
Oh my god. What do you think I told you? You're gonna die.
I almost died.
Vinny's like, I'm tired of being alone. Where are y'all?
Oh.
The one that doesn't know when to stop recording. Yay!
But better.
Pepperoni. But I think it
But
has
our
to be
pepperoni pizza, perfectly hot.
You got that.
I know. I'll say it with my chest.
Wait, can you do your transition?
Yeah, do your.
No, I'm not.
We
And it
loved
was
it.
awesome.
We loved it.
He used it.
I know he did.
Make a new one for this video. Can you do a transition?
Yeah, can you do a transition?
There's gonna be multiple transitions.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that?
Wendy, your turn.
Goodbye.
Two coats are similar.
Oh, there goes all 100 recording our shit.
Here we go. Wait, what happened?
He asked me how do I like my eggs, and I was like, well done.
You're so grimy.
and then he looked at me. He's like, what? So how do you want your eggs? Oh my god.
Llegamos. Okay.
The store has to be on
We're ready.
Yours is like, yeah, they gave you two.
What are they supposed to be like?
She got two right foot or two left feet.
What did I get?
You got one right, one left. You're fine.
Are you ready?
No. I'm so distressed.
Well, you seem like you know what you're doing.
I'm just moving like that. Oh, there you go. Right there. Good job, buddy.
How do you feel?
Honestly, I did them a lot better. After I got used to it,
You're not half bad.
I'm not half bad.
They're wrong what they say about you.
What did they say about me?
I can't say that.
Ryan has not left the wall.
All right, part 2. All right, y'all, here comes Brittany. Come on, Brittany. No hand. A rough stop, but she continues. All right, you guys, this is how to ice skate. Just do what I do.
Wait, look at the pretty stars. No, go ahead.
Keep it on me, sir.
Oh, okay. Wait, he's making me work.
So you see, you just want to be confident in every step you do.
I busted my ass twice.
And that's okay.
I know.
It's not about how you
And,
bust ass.
you know, at
it's
least
about
I-
how you get up.
At least I
Sorry.
let go. Unlike some people.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
Couldn't be me. I'm gonna stay on this side of the fence. Now let's see Miss Brittany. Okay. My thoughts on skating? It's not for me. Well,
not
ice
for you?
skating's not for me. Roller skating maybe, but
Really?
not this. This is me the whole time.
You said 5 laps. What happened?
I can only do 3. I don't even think I did 3. I think I did
2.
I'll be at the bar if you need me. Look at this trio.
Whoosh! Transition. Let it go. Let it go. Na 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 na. I'm gonna bust my ass. Oh, the camera too.
Can we open?
Camera 2. Not
No,
yet. Spana.
Let me know when I can open though. Where? Oh.
Wait, keep your eye open. I mean, keep your hand open.
Keep your
Just one eye.
Thank
You said you were gonna get because I
Wow.
never got to do the little.
Mary and Bride.
Wait, we can open our eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Way with the
you still
notes.
have your
Aww. Can we read all of ours out loud?
Whatever you like.
This one says, to my dear friend Alejandro, who we adopted as a girly, I am unfair and on Brian's side, but thank you for being fundamental to the memories, to more vlogs. With warm regards, Brittany.
Yeah.
Aww.
To my dear friend, to my dear friend Wendy, you're my good sister and someone I can be delusional to and can drink with when the others don't get it. We do. Love you. With love and respect, Brittany.
Aww.
To my sober
I love going
sister, Liz. Thank you for influencing my sober eras. I always look forward to our chaotic and magical adventures with you. With love, Brittany.
Aww, that's beautiful. To my good sister Brian, thank you for being mostly on my side. It's us two delusional bitches against the world. With love, Brittany. It's true. It's true, Brittany.
Very accurate.
I'm glad we all
It's
agree.
always us.
We all
with-
agree? Good.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, you in the city?
Remember that.
Let's go to Cuba restaurant.
Yeah.
Where's that?
I don't know, go to somewhere.
Okay. Thank you.
It's like a little.
So you said she was like the train museum?
No, I said the train museum.
Yeah,
That's
there's
what I
a train museum in Brooklyn.
said. In where?
Is it
In
beautiful?
Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, I heard.
I want to go.
Can I go there?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go to the Brooklyn Museum.
Wait.
Does that
is it
interest
like
you?
Big, like large scale trains, or is like the miniature?
It's like the history of the MTA. So they'll show you like different.
corruption. Okay.
I don't know. No one wants to go with me, so
I never
I'm
said
trying-
that. Never said that. I said I'd like to go.
We would fall and you'd
I
be
don't
like,
know.
you'd be like,
So disrespectful. Why would I?
but you didn't fall. You didn't fall. You're good.
Yeah, you're fine.